Burdock root is a medicinal root that has a very pleasant, earthy, nutty-like flavor and is easy to make into a tea and blend with a stick of Ceylon, cinnamon, and Brazil nuts to make a nutritious milk alternative. To make burdock root tea, scale 10 grams of dried burdock root into your brewing device and pour 500 grams of boiling water over top. Allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes and strain when the desired strength of the tea is achieved. To prepare the milk ingredients, scale 375 grams of regular strength burdock root tea into a mason jar and add a pitted medjool date and a stick of Ceylon cinnamon. In another jar, scale 70 grams of Brazil nuts and pour boiling water over top. Soaking the nuts will help remove the nuts' protective enzymes that interfere with digestion and store the jars overnight in the refrigerator. The next day, the nuts need to be rinsed and added to a blender with the tea mixture. Then blend on high speed for a couple of minutes and strain through a nut milk bag. Gently squeeze the bag to release the milk and discard the remaining pulp. This recipe makes 500 milliliters of burdock root tea, cinnamon Brazil nut milk. Stored in the refrigerator, the milk will keep for about 3 days.